Hello guys, today the presentation going to be about periodic table. Specifically, we're going to explain the difference between group and period. For the purpose of this presentation, I download this periodic table in the Google website. It's a really nice periodic table. I believe it's very useful. Let's start. There is two types of group. There's group A and group B. Group are vertical and period are horizontal. So here we have group 1A, which is also known as alkaline metal. And here we have group 2A, which is known as alkaline earth metal. We're going to skip this box because that's where group B is located. Then we're going to have group 3A, group 4A, 5A, group 6A, group 7A is also known as halogen. Then we're going to have group 8A, which is also known as the noble gas. The group A's are the ones that are known as the main groups. Group B, as I told you, is in the yellow box. We're going to have here group 3B, group 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B, 8B, group 9B, group 10B, group 11B, and group 12B. Group B are where the transitional metal are located. So the transitional metal, they are located in group B. And by now you are probably asking yourself, what about those two lines that is on the bottom of the periodic table? We want to explain about them when we speak about the periods. As I told you guys, the period, they are horizontal. This is our first period, period 1. This is period 2. And this is period 3. This is period 4. This is period 5. This is period 6. And this is period 7. And if you're asking yourself, what about those two horizontal lines? The first horizontal line, as you can see, it starts from 57 to 71. And if you're looking at this box, you're going to say it's a 57 to 71. So the first horizontal line should have been in the place of that box. And the second one, which starts from 89 and finish to 103, if you're looking at that box, you're going to see it's a 81, 89, and 103, which means the second horizontal line should have been there. Another question is, why do the chemists did the chemists decide to have those boxes on the bottom of the periodic table and they did not put them here in the place of those two boxes? And the answer, guys, is because the chemist wanted to have the periodic table nicer, and that's why they decided to have those two lines, those two periods on the bottom of the periodic table. So to summarize, today we saw difference between group and period. We saw group 1, we saw the group E, which is known as the main group, and group B, which is known as the transitional metal. We saw the groups are the vertical line and the period are the horizontal line. In our next video, we're going to see why the main groups and transitional the main groups and group B are important.